Hello and welcome to Mangley Town Catalogue collection, and today we have the Lima train sets catalogue from 1975. At least we're straight on in with the sets. And I believe this was the first year that they did a train sets catalogue. It's certainly the earliest one I've been able to find. Now this is what I was fearing. Is the UK Rolling Stock HO or actually OO? Or were they just being lazy? It'll be interesting to know if anybody out there does know if, to start with, they were producing the UK Rolling Stock in HO scale, not 00. Because if you've watched some of the Lima catalogue videos before, they have to appear to be a bit lazy on whether they list them as HO or OO. Again, it isn't just the catalogue. You can make out HO scale on the packaging as well. So it does bring up the possibility that they did do them HO scale to start with. And there we go. As always, thank you for joining me on the channel. Well, these ones are actually O scale. I hope to see you again soon, and thank you for watching. Bye.